Yeah, it already hit the gap right here. Right. All right, let's see here. Whoops. And then again. Um, we're gonna get these 15s out. That's what I was just looking at before. Was this 15 level? So it's gonna get taken out and then it's gonna reverse pretty hard. Probably take a look at a bounce on VWAP and then a return to here. Ooh, wow, this market push. Okay, let's wait and see. So, I mean, we're looking like we're the play that I'm going to look for is a bounce on this VWAP and then to take this out. Pretty simple. Nothing too complicated here today. Yeah, that's what I'm looking at. So let's go. Wait for this guy to cool off. Alexa, next. God damn. It's like I get so zoned in, I don't even realize what I'm listening to until it's.
A premium square top Andrew cat litter box and scoop. It's $69.59 after $10.40 savings.
Alexa, play some hip hop. So look at this. It went right where I said it was going to. This 15 level, 15, 16 level right here, and then fell right back down. So let's wait and see. Look at the average. The Nasdaq's a little cleaner here. This would be that bounce. This scan right here would have been a perfect buy opportunity right there. The push. But let's just see. Nasdaq seems to be holding really well. Yeah, it's still really, really like indecisive looking. This would have been a really great entry. Like I'd put a stop right here. I missed it, so I'm waiting. But let's wait for a green confirmation to be a little bit better. Because it looks like it's got some trouble here. Oof. We wanted to hold this level right here. And on the Nasdaq, the 15,000 level. Really needs to break up. Hey, you said the screen's black on the YouTube. It must not be. Got it. Got it. Does he have the link to come in here? Okay. Alright, so let's see if we can just push, take out some of this liquidity that's up here. See something. Come on. I may just take this. This is too choppy. It's not strong. Like I might just exit right here. But this we've got numbers coming up, like I was saying at 9:45. So I think I might just wait. Because numbers are gonna come out like 10 minutes, and this didn't take off like it should have. The price momentum, just the momentum not there, the volume's not there. Of course, now it'll probably take off, but I mean, there's orders up here, the 20 level, it looks good, which is right here. We really needed to like break out of here. It's just not pushing. And the Nasdaq is red, so I'm gonna wait a minute here. I think people are waiting because of the numbers coming out. Mhm. I mean, if you bought the low candle, then you made a solid bag already off of that right there. But definitely didn't get the low candle myself. So yeah. And now here comes the Nasdaq coming down. Looks like the Nasdaq's leading today, so I might shift and trade the Nasdaq just a FYI. There she goes. Yeah, that's why I didn't want to sit in it. That's why I was suggesting getting out because it's not just sitting. It's not there's the volume's not there, so like why? And there's numbers like coming out. You might have to mute that part for the stream. Ah, here's this pullback.
That's why eating well-balanced diet food have the most nutrition and antioxidant-rich ingredients to help dogs thrive. Shop now for easy eating stock food on Amazon.
We're gonna probably see lower lows today. Tell you the truth, I think the high of the day was this pre-market high. I think if especially if numbers come out and they're negative, we're gonna stay down. These numbers are good. It's just if these numbers are good, it'll take us to the top. If the numbers come out negative, and then I think it's pretty obvious what'll happen. Kind of what's going on. Where is my fucking numbers? How do I change what screen I'm sharing so I can like? Can you see this? Can you guys see this? Hello. Alexa, next. Alexa, play some different music.
Here's a popular station. On Amazon.
Alexa, play some rap music. For fuck's sake. Alexa, play something by Drake. God, this is killing me. Alexa, play Drake.
By Drake. The new
This is super annoying. Oh my god.
song comes out. Helps in 99 cents a month to cancer. Terms in the election. Should I sign you up and play music by Drake? I did not hear you. Would you like to sign up?
Yes. This is good.
Show. Shuffling songs by Drake on Amazon Music.
Here they come. Oh, forecasted numbers are less. That's good. There you go. Well, this was the trade. I mean, okay, I was literally not looking at the time, but look at here. Here's a tweezer bottom right here, right on the VWAP. It never closed below the VWAP. Boom. Where's our target? Right here.
People to the legal side, but not something about the legal side. Any reason found us way out there, that's just one reason why I feel not gonna be comedian guys. Comedian guys, jokers and comedian guys, you know, like 6'2", or actually like you know, comedian guys. I want to keep these ones be so safe.
There's a tweezer top here, and that's where it's starting to see some resistance in the same place.
We know some demon guy, let's say you are eyes, you know what I'm saying? He's the guy. Decent guy, that's right.
Let's keep it going. Uh-oh.
We gonna do breathing time. Season time, if I'm inside breathing time. So it's for idols. KMT with a iron, look at the name.
So did you guys kind of understand like what happened here? How to play this? This is like one of my favorite. This is like one of my favorite things to actually. This is I drew this the other day. Literally like one of my favorite. This is like one of my favorite like flips to trade too. It's like whenever it consolidates down here, like right after kind of crossing through the VWAP, consolidating. This right here.
It used to be feedback pads. Now I can send out the open arena pads to also the feeder slacks. Open media height and the agency people land. You can also let me that back. So all this need for that email at least the people.
See this? You see it? Do you see it, Matt? You see it? I just drew a dick on the screen, Matt. Yeah, but that is what's good. This is actually like one of my favorite things for real. Like this, it just like kind of double
The
bounce.
truth is out.
This double bounce on the VWAP after it comes out from under it. Like I love this trade. It happens so much. Actually, there's a picture of it. There's a picture of it that I sent you, and like that I traded a trade I took a while back of the same trade. So 14 could get taken back out. We're done here. So I'm gonna wait till this candle right here has a lot of liquidity in it. Alexa, next. Mhm.
Yeah. Call me on my cell.
Don't forget, there is 10 a.m. numbers too. This looks like a bull flag pretty clearly here. I would just want to see what this candle does since there's all these wicks that would need to get taken out. This looks, I mean, really clear. There's this 20 level on the ES, 21, 22. So definitely looks like it's going to push up. 14 looks like it's going to be what holds this. 14 looks like where people entered the market right here. That's this big candle. More liquidity was added. Hopefully we break right here. It looks like it's already breaking on the NASDAQ, so pretty solid trade. Longing here. And now, like pretty much now with the stop down here. There is numbers coming out soon, but
Ever since I left the city, you. Ever since I left the city,
hello. Um, Miha. Those are that was lights. Yes. 40 hertz of sound. I think let me message him and see if he can edit it. Yeah. I'm trading right now. I'm trying to okay. Sorry, we have 2 concerts this weekend. These would probably be numbers, people getting ready for the 10 o'clock numbers to come out. So, did you not put a stop, Matt? Okay, yeah. Okay. Yeah, yeah. You need to be tight. This is, I mean, this is a bull flag. There's no, this candle closed above the other one. Like that's just the market selling off right before numbers come out, you know? That does make sense. It looks like over here, the NASDAQ at the pivot, it looks like the NASDAQ is trading more, it's trading like it's leading and it's, cleaner, cleaner price delivery today. So I'm just kind of waiting, staying out. Yeah, like look at this. Trading view or what? Your IP address must like keep changing or something like that. That happens. I know that. That's happened to me. It's with your internet. There are those numbers. Oh, Jesus Christ. Uh, uh, well, I drew the dick and balls. I think I literally said it's going to probably go back down to the 14s and take that out. When I was drawing my dick and balls here,
You may
when
be
we
able to
were
just restart your
here,
browser too.
and when we were here, I literally said that it's probably going to return to the 14s because there was liquidity sitting there. I saw it on the order book. So this is now the sell side liquidity. Okay, let's. And the numbers came out like 3 minutes. Oh, they probably released them. Yeah, would you look at that? No, they're not out. They're still waiting. That's someone must have. Looks like someone got some news early on the numbers. That's insane. That's pretty cool. Look at this. Look at this. Jesus Christ. I'm talking too much. Should just be a little more silent, maybe. I mean, this is perfect. Like, this is literally, I love this trade. I always do this. Would have been a little bit tough there, not gonna lie, but there's a ton of really good entries, like right here, here.
We to look at, I said they get in, Trump, it in the bitch.
Oh, damn, look at that. And my cat is now hiding under my computer. Great.
21, induce can't handle the risk match. 21, induce just my induce can't talk.
Let's take a look at this really quick. Let's talk for a minute here, guys. Let's talk. Oh, you wait for a really good setup. Check this out. This is pretty easy. Numbers. Yep. So we opened here. Okay. Pushed up. Never closed below the VWAP. Never closed below it. This would stop me out. I mean, if I had gotten in this candle, but that's why we wouldn't have gotten in this candle because it's still red. So this candle would have been this green candle, this fill. Perfect entry would have been here, right? In this guy with a stop loss down here. You never would have gotten stopped out. Ever would have gotten stopped out, okay? Ever. If you entered on the next tap with the stop loss here, you never would have gotten stopped out. Ever would have gotten stopped out. And if you're trading the way I've said with like a risk reward of just a target of five ticks or whatever it is, $5, 5 points, you would have. Look, I'm missing out on this, but I want to explain like what I want to talk about this because I feel like the reason people don't make money is they just don't. It's not because they're not seeing the trade.
Stop filled.
So this is a trade. Let's see here. That would have worked. This getting in this candle would have worked. These would have definitely worked. This would have been your easiest one right here. The best risk to reward. Even here, if you got in on the 14, like where I'd said, I literally said it was going to go back down to. I mean, and that's just 50% on the opening range. That's just, you could have been like, all right, retracing 50% of the opening range. It's a range trade right there. Didn't even fully tap the VWAP. So that's a range trade and you're good. And you could have grabbed it. You could have grabbed it the first sign of green right here. And it literally would have been perfect, bro. That would have been a one minute boom right there. This would have been your. And let's see here.
Order filled.
On this tap, let's say you get it around here and you want to. I mean, you're set. These are all really. So I mean, this is trying to show you guys how to actually trade. This is literally like how to trade it. Where I'm saying what to literally do. Let's say you were up here and you're seeing it test this, right? Well, that's where a couple of us got long, and that was bad. We didn't break out of this. We were waiting for it to. I said it would be a good slot to go long. It did really look like it. These were two solid green candles. It happens, okay? But then it came back down to the 14 where we said this would have been your perfect re-entry. That's really. I mean, get what you did, and then here it is, right to the level I had drawn earlier. Now, what do we think it's going to do? What do we want to like discuss? What do we want to think it's going to do? I know we don't like to predict, but what are we kind of thinking here? But what do we want to see it do if for a good trade? What would we Anybody want to take a look at this? Just kind of the same delivery here. Broke through these pivots here. Came right back down onto that one, which is our top pivot. Going up for the next one, I would imagine, would probably be a good idea. And this has been there since yesterday. Watch out for this guy right here. Big clear value gap right here. Make sure we don't forget about it. I'm like all over the place. Can't find anything today. What the fuck? So I want to see this fair value gap back to support. So expect some consolidation in here. And then a break towards this internal buy side liquidity and the potentially expansion all the way out, right? That'd be great. Look at this. This is just taking off, guys. Like, come on, this is easy. This shit's easy now. Like, I'm drawing shit. You should be able to trade this without me talking. Come on. This is what we were
Order
trying to
filled.
take right where we're here. It's the same fucking thing. It fell through there. Look at this, guys. Come on. I'm missing all these explaining it. I hope you guys are fucking taking this.
Sounds hanging out.
Yeah, Dan. Hello.
Yes.
Okay. You're using TradeView or TradeVote?
Say that again.
Are you using TradeView or TradeObit?
Trading view. Trading view, sir.
Trade. Oh, cool.
Yo, Nasdaq is a little. Nasdaq's got so much room to travel, dude. It's insane. All right. Peace. All right. All right, guys. So a view up way down here. Oh my damn cat is unplugging things. Come on, buddy.
Ain't that just like pussy to be fucking with your shit?
Ugh. Can you guys see my cat?
No, I don't see anything other than just your screen.
Oh.
Yes, that is some fine little pussy.
Look at this. Okay.
So, what do you think of having a cat, man? You enjoying it?
I like it. It's really nice. Good companion. I mean, I can't walk a big dog, and I'm used to the big dog thing, so. But I really
Yeah, I
like
hear
this
you.
kid.
Little dogs are a waste of time.
Yeah. That's why I was like, I'd rather get a cat. Bro, guys, look
Fair,
at this.
yeah.
Look at these levels I drew and how they just. And it's pretty much doing the same thing here. Do you know what this is called, guys?
What are you talking about?
This kind of this like this price action. If you I brought it up yesterday or maybe the other day, but it's called institutional order flow entry drill, and it's a mouthful. Institutional order
At
flow
the power
entry
of
drill.
3 or whatever the fuck.
No, but it happens a lot on the expansion side of Power of 3. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. He has made his own
Yeah?
trades before. Look at
Order
this. This
filled.
is just fucking wild, guys. Okay, so institutional order flow entry drill is basically the banks, the market's like stacking order blocks, and order blocks. It's an institutional order flow entry drill. So kind of what it sounds like when you really break it down, and you can see where it pretty much occurs, like down here when this got tapped. These big kind of, I mean, there's these big moves right here is probably around where it started. This is pre-market. Yeah, 8:30. Literally 8:30 is banks. Banks opening. So I mean, yeah, literally boom. Another big push over here. This right here, this is huge right here. I don't teach this much, but it's called a breaker block. So this right, you could honestly maybe say it's I would either this one or this one. They honestly are kind of both valid. I'd love to hear if anyone has an opinion, but I would take this one right here. Just a little red doji guy right there. Okay, so this gets actually to the pivot point.
Oh, we lost somebody.
I don't know. Anyway, so see how these two lows right here, they drop into this the fair value. This was another order block right here. They drop into that order block. They absorb the orders. Okay, all the limit buys are getting placed. The banks enter. All right, it breaks through here. which is an order block on the way, or like a reversal trade order block, or supply demand, whatever the fuck you want to call it. I don't know. But it's a breaker block. That's what they get taught to me as. That's what they are. I'll try to explain that better later. That's not good. As it comes back into this breaker block, this acts as support. That's like another huge indicator that we're gonna go up like from there on. And I mean it held true. The way you trade a breaker block like this is you would buy here with a stop loss down here. Okay, so that's too much risk for you. Like if your risk is you're only able to like lose $100, you either can't take that trade or you need to go trade the micro, not the mini. Okay, then you can trade the micro for more leverage or less leverage and less money. Anyways, moving up, retail opens. We have our opening range here. We have this dick and balls. Literally, I drew this like 2 days ago on another chart, and I'm like, I love trading this as it literally happens. This anytime you have a big push up over the VWAP and then kind of a consolidation. Like I love the double tap on the VWAP, and then there's a bull flag right here. I mean, this is like pretty clear trading. Like this isn't even. I'm not inventing anything here. I called out this level, the 14 level. It hit it exactly and took off. Another good trade here would be this, this base on the opening range. And then to kind of talk about that institutional order flow, you can see it you can see it. It's every right here. Every one of these dips where there's a kind of fully engulfed previous like red candle. So this one kind of makes it because of the two solid ones. I'd maybe look at that as one, but the better one is this guy right here, this guy right here, both of those, this one right here. So this is an order block right here.
Somebody must be having connection issues.
Mm-hmm. So
No, wait. No, there's snow on the ground. What the fuck?
So guys, look, this was not an order block right here. And look at where we're having some fall off. Look at this big price spike right here. There's an imbalance in here. Okay. Where do I think price is going to return to the imbalances?
We can hear you as you guess. And you already tried closing your browser and reopening it again? Fair.
Is anybody? Alexa, next. So look, the 30 level is now where we have some liquidity. This is This would be like a little internal buy side liquidity that we'd expect to get taken out. See right here. Let's see where you think it might go. The 22s have a little bit of something showing right there. 22s. Whoa, look at that. There's an order block right there. Holy fuck. I'm not making this stuff up. Like, wow. So let's see if it's going to go somewhere. That's probably where it's going to return. If it might hold here. If it holds here, we're going to expect it to take out this 30 level. Look at this too. Order block, not an order block. Order block, push through a high, push through a high. Not an order block, made one high and then fell. Order block, push through, continue to go. Order block here, it pushed up, came back down to the order block, went through, did not create another order block. Where is it going to go? To the order block. Did I explain that? Does it make sense here?
See.
And what's interesting is this candle right here, this low and this low, this is like divergence. Look, these are, same candle on both sides. See, one's up and one's equal. Liquidity was grabbed here, so it allowed this to continue to push up. That would be where I would go to trade it. That's where, I mean, you could, like I was saying though, this was a trade here too. You would want to put your stop loss down here. If that's too much risk to reward for me, I don't like it. So I would want to wait for it to return to this order block, because essentially thinking right now, the liquidity, the liquidity that is being used right now came from here. Okay, like the market is moving because of the orders that were entered right here. So for the market to move in another direction, to take these orders out, these orders need to take this price out. The market needs to release these orders. Where can it release these orders? Well, there's a lot of buyers right here because it's an order block. And these are sellers.
Order filled.
Sellers need to give up to buyers. You could even, I mean, it's kind of in the order block. Some people draw order blocks from the wick, some people draw them from the body. I like to draw them from the body, but I mean, if you're one of the people that draws them from the wick, you're already technically in this order block. Right now, you might want to be looking, if you're really looking to trade, right? If you're really looking to push the button, this doesn't look like the worst position right here, but this is still a big wick. Like this is a big wick right here to just get possibly filled and not broken over in this candle. This candle might just absorb this and then continue to go down. So I would be I'm not trading. I'm just waiting. There's still this 30 level that needs to get taken out. It looks like the 22, the 20. It looks like orders are stacking up. So
Order
it may
filled.
actually be able to push, but this is, I mean, I think this could have been your good trade right here if you wanted to take that risk to reward. It would have been if you traded this and see, look, actually, that's why I like, he might, that's why I said I did trade it and absorb this, but so here's your risk to reward though. Let's talk about it. What is this? We've got, it's a little bit over a one-to-one risk to reward. Oh, well, really, no, you need to come down here. Sorry. That is not even a one-to-one risk to reward, ladies and gentlemen. So this is not a trade that you would want to take. Now, if we were expecting it to get up to here, if that's what you wanted your target to be, but I don't suggest you just extending this. Like, don't ever just be like, oh, that's a bad risk. Okay, hold on, let me explain something really quick. Don't ever just like make your trade target farther just so that you have a better risk to reward ratio, like in your head. Do you get what I'm saying? Like don't just be like, I'm gonna take the trade to here. Oh, that's not a good trade. No, never mind. I'm gonna take it to here. Like if that's not where it's gonna go, don't do it. Look at this though. We drew these leveled out fucking to the T, yo. And I found this level from days ago. If you want me to scroll all the way back, I picked this level out from days ago. I mean we are a tick away from that some shit. I still would be looking to go long on this until these are broken. Because for me and the way I draw order blocks, this didn't get into my order block. Not my order block, sir. Not this guy's. Now it's looking like now with this candle, if this candle closes, it's looking long. And now the thing is, if this candle closes and gets to my target in just one solid candle, like let's say if I was like up a lot today and I just was like still really desperately wanting to trade, maybe I would take this as a momentum trade. Like maybe, dude, maybe. Because actually, no, I actually wouldn't, because I'll tell you why. This candle did not close over this candle. It was a solid green candle, but it didn't close over this candle. If this candle closes solid green, then I would take the momentum trade. And I would take the momentum trade up to 32. All right, let's talk about this also. Look, this is not closed over this. The body is not closed over this. I'm still not excited for this. The trade would have been down here. For those of you that draw your order blocks a little more liberally, this would have been a fucking great trade for you guys. And I hope someone caught it. It's also created some equal lows right here. Another thing to have looked out for. That could have given way to your entry. I mean, look, kind of created this tweezer here, double bottom. It wants to take these levels out up here, but it doesn't have the strength to. You see how I was saying not quite grabbing this, because of those reasons I had mentioned. And look at this. I mean, this level is exactly where we were seeing. And I drew this shit to a T, guys. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Ooh, ooh. So, guys, this could be set up. Let me see if I can. Ooh, I have a picture, I think, for this.
Bad days. It's a lot of bad days. Bad days. It's a lot of
Damn, I'm trying to find. I'm trying to find this PDF. I mean, I posted this thing like a long time ago. This formation is basically like seek and destroy. But I want to show a photo of it. Damn it, I can't find it. Oh well. What do you think about getting along here, guys? Is that what we're... It's pretty much the same thing over here. Mm-hmm. There's nothing to make me want to go long yet at all. Yeah, and that's so that's literally, I mean, look at this level I drew a while ago, or I should just This is that 4435. Go look at what that is. Go scroll across and go tell me what that is. From the big drop down, right? So what do you, that's all the missed orders. What now, holy shit. Why is it called a fair value gap? Because that means that's a fair price to buy it at, because there's still a bunch of people that wanted it at that price. So think about the logic in that, right? Like, obviously, if there's a bunch of people still willing to pay that because their orders are there, then that's still a fair price. So that's a fair value gap. Does that make sense? Mm-hmm. Yeah. Now the thing is there's some other orders. There's some other big areas before that, but so like what I would be waiting to see is like some of these orders down below need to get filled too. Mm. Yeah. So yes, see, let's watch this make its way down here.
Order filled.
You can, if you have two laptops, you just set everything. Press enter.
Yeah, I'm just scared to get long on anything right now because
Stop
of how
field.
far we are from the VWAP and just. Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck. Oh, sorry, I'm saying ow because I just got a sharp pain. Nothing with the joint.
Order filled.
Who keeps leaving and joining?
What?
Said who keeps leaving and joining?
Uh, now two people. Oh.
Oh.
Bog. I'm not sure how to say his name. I apologize.
Might be Okinwa's friends.
They're saying I'm back. I agree with them. I just take my time with all this shit.
Stop field.
Picking up background noise again.
On mine.
I think I can't see who it is. I
Probably
don't have the right
me.
menu open. I just keep sitting on the dashboard, so
Okay.
I can see the
Okay,
chart.
guys,
That's it.
this is a pretty solid break right here coming. So we had this tap here. Let's take a look. Let's gonna get a little. I really still don't like the idea of being long. Like it just we're so high up here. So if I did take a trade, these would be very quick trades.